Welcome to Zig Wheels, folks. You know, we've been really excited about EICMA 2017, which is where all the hottest and the latest motorcycles in the world first flashed some skin. And Priyadarshan was there in Milan and he got up close with the stars. And actually, this time right now, we're going to talk about what it feels like to be on those motorcycles, to sit on those motorcycles, and just by being there, he can tell us so much more than we could earlier, right? So, Priyadarshan, I think one of the big bikes for us would definitely be the Hero X-Pulse.
Definitely. Well, to be very honest, it was kept under wraps for quite some time, and it wasn't as big as an unveil as you would thought it would be. Hero just had the X-Pulse and the Dakar bike on the stand, and it was a slightly subdued affair. But the bike does hold a lot of promise, I guess, for India.
I'm going to cut that off right there because whatever we saw in photos and videos, I mean, does it look like it's production ready?
Well, a lot of parts on the bike come straight from production bikes that you already have. The motor, of course, is what we've seen before. We've seen that on the Hero Xtreme 200S at Auto Expo 2016, the concept bike. Right. That's the motor, a little under 20 horsepower, and whatever the bike looks like, it looks like it's ready for production because it's essentially a collection of parts they've already got. It's like a parts bin from Hero put together on a bike. It can roll into production right away if they have to.
We were having this discussion a little earlier and I was like, it didn't quite hit the spot for me in the way it looks, in terms of the way it looks. But PD was like, no, I think it looks nice. So why is that? What is it that you liked about the bike in that sense?
Well, it's not, I mean, in terms of design, of course, it's not groundbreaking. It's not doing anything exciting, but the bike is not really offensive either. And what I like about the bike is the stance. It has a proper off-road stance. Even though technically you can see bits from road bikes like the Charisma Tank and the ZMR's tail lamp, and but that massive 21-inch front wheel, 18-inch rear wheel with those off-road tires and those big light setup. Yeah, the headlight with its chrome looks a bit chintzy, but otherwise with those rally lights and the big panniers, it does have a good presence and a good stance.
And a lot of discussion on whether it's basically the Impulse, right? And with a different engine. We looked at the photographs closely yesterday and analyzed the chassis. What's the bottom line?
And I tucked my head into the bike at the show. The frame is completely different. The Impulse had a split dual cradle. This one, it has a single down tube with the engine as a stress member. Something we've seen on Hero's road bikes before, like the Xtreme and the Charisma, pretty much. So it looks pretty much like their current setup just being put into an off-road platform, sort of.
Right. So in fact, we even went back to Auto Expo 2016 and look at the pictures of the Xtreme 200 concept that was shown there. And if you look at the frame, you look at the engine, it looks like the down tube, the single down tube coming into the engine and the engine itself. That section just looks so familiar in that sense. But the other thing that we analyzed was there was a bike that Hero ran at the raid this year, which was the X-Pulse under trials.
A disguised X-Pulse, yes.
Yeah. So, but there are some differences between that bike and the bike that was shown at EICMA, right?
No, definitely. The biggest takeaway from the two bikes, the bike that we saw in the raid, the spy pictures from the raid, well, it showed an engine with an oil cooler. It looked like the engine from the current ZMR, while this one on the display bike at Milan, that was clearly the engine from the concept Xtreme 200S. So that's a purely air-cooled motor. FI, of course, no carburetor on that, so no fuel cock.
So do you think the X-Pulse is a bit of a smokescreen? Like they have an on-off-road bike coming, but this isn't quite it.
It's quite possible. I mean, knowing Hero, and especially the amount of interest that their current R&D department at the CIT has shown in on-off-road bikes. All of those guys, they ride off-road bikes. Yeah, Marcus, Marlowe, they are all riders. They all ride off-road. They themselves have Impulses with Charisma engines, tuned and done up, and so they get this. They understand what this space requires. They understand what a bike like this has to be. So there's a good chance, yeah, this could be like a smoke screen. Also, I think even if it's not a smoke screen, I don't see a big issue with the bike shown the way it currently is, because it just means that it can go into production right away. There is no pickup in terms of slack. Like they have not obviously this is a concept bike. They have not said that this is the production motorcycle, but it might as well be.
So I think some of the smaller takeaways for me, I own an Impulse, and what I really liked about the X-Pulse was that the swing arm looks much longer, and along with that you have a rear disc brake. This is still an air-cooled engine. I like that. It's not going to be heavy. It's going to be simple. It'll be easy to maintain. And it looks like a bigger kind of motorcycle, which you can also use to do longer distances more easily on in that sense.
Yeah, pretty much. I think that bigger motor is going to help in that sense, because I think the biggest shortcomings of the Impulse was the motor. I mean, just 13 odd horsepower, it barely, like with my weight, it barely moved. So, I mean, lighter guys, yes, they had a good time. But then with that bigger motor, with a little more power, a little more torque, I think that's going to make a big difference at highway speeds, when you're doing a bit of trail riding. So, definitely a thumbs up.
So, now you know what the Hero X-Pulse is really all about, or at least what we're hoping it's going to be about. Lots of details that PD has brought us from Milan, and we're going to be bringing you more motorcycles from the EICMA Motor Show. Stay tuned here at Zig Wheels.